Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once the application is open, navigate to the specific presentation you intend to work on. This ensures that you are making all changes in the correct file and prevents any accidental modifications to the wrong presentation. With your presentation open and ready, the next step is to add a picture that represents one of your co-workers. This image is an essential element of your team slide, allowing you to visually represent your colleague as part of your team. To start this process, head over to the Insert option in the PowerPoint menu. This section is designed to help you add various elements, such as images and text, to your slide. After clicking Insert, locate and select the option labeled Pictures. Doing so provides you with the ability to incorporate images from different sources into your slide. In this case, choose the option for images stored on your computer by clicking on the option identified as this device. This selection opens your computer's file explorer, allowing you to search for and choose the photograph of your coworker. Once the image is uploaded onto your slide, it may be necessary to adjust its appearance for a more polished look. To achieve this, access the Picture Format tab, a dedicated section that gives you control over various image adjustments. Within this tab, locate the drop-down labeled Crop. Clicking on the crop drop-down brings up a variety of cropping options that enable you to modify the shape of your image further. Within these options, select the feature called Crop to Shape. This option presents several shapes that can enhance the image presentation, and for this instance, you should choose a rounded rectangle. Applying this shape ensures that the photo has smooth curves and a modern look, which adds to the professional quality of your slide. After shaping your image, adjust its size so that it fits well with the overall design of the slide. Resizing the image correctly is important to maintain balance and harmony on the team slide. Next, it is time to add textual content that displays your coworker's details. Return to the Insert tab, and this time select the text box option. With the text box added to the slide, begin typing in the relevant details, such as the individual's name, their position within the organization, and the department they belong to. This written information serves to characterize the person further and complement the image. Repeat the process for each additional teammate you wish to include on the slide. For every new team member, add another image and repeat the steps of uploading, cropping, shaping and resizing until all desired individuals are visually represented. Then don an additional text box and add the corresponding details for each team member. By following these clear and sequential steps, you create a professional and organized team slide in PowerPoint that clearly presents each coworker's image along with their relevant information. The slide not only provides visual engagement but also communicates important details about your team in a straightforward format.